Hello, my dear children. I am Mrs. Mona Pereira, teacher from St. Paul's School. This is our Standard 5th History class. In our earlier class, we had studied the third lesson of history, Life on Earth. Now, we are going to revise the same chapter in the form of question answers. I hope you have read the lesson and are ready to answer the questions. So let's start with fill in the blanks. The first one, the fiery rock cooled and formed dash islands. Yes, the answer is volcanic. Second, the volcanic islands joined together and formed dash. Yes, the answer is continents. Third, the changes that take place in man are dash and dash. Very good, mental and physical. And fourth, the living world on the earth consists of dash and dash. Right, plants and animals. Second question, answer in one or two words. What did the volcano spilt? The answer is magma. Second, name the only planet where life is known to exist. The answer is Earth. Third, how many years did it take after the formation of the Earth for its surface to cool down? The answer is 80 crore years. Fourth, name the first unicellular organism. The answer is protozoa. Fifth, where did the protozoa appear first? Answer is in water. Sixth, which instrument do we need to see a unicellular organism? Answer is microscope. Seventh, for what do animals move from one place to other? Answer is for food. And eighth, what are the animals which give direct birth to their young ones without laying eggs called? Answer is mammals. Very good answers, children. Now, let's move on to the third question. Arrange in chronological order. Here, you have to read and understand the events and arrange them in the order of their happening. So, let's read them out first. First one, water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. Second, the sun and the planets revolving around it were created. Third, protozoa appeared in water. And fourth, an enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in space. Let's read out the answers now. The D option is the first answer. An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in space. The B option is the second one. The sun and the planets revolving around it were created. A option is the third one. Water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. And C option is fourth. Protozoa appeared in water. Very good, children. Now we shall discuss the last question. Answer the following. First one, name the planets which revolve around the sun. Answer. The planets which revolve around the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The second question, write any two characteristics of animals. Answer. The first characteristic is animals breathe. And the second characteristic is animals move to find food and for other purposes. Excellent answers, children. I hope you all have understood the lesson well. So for homework, you are going to read the notes and learn them. And try to write down the answers in your rough book without looking. So, bye-bye. Take care.